Hi, in this video I will show you how to read in a CSV file into R and how to save a data frame inside R to a CSV file. So basically input and output in R. Um, there are many different formats for a data set. Okay, so just what I want to mention the import data set here in R, you can use to import, say, text files, Excel files, SPSS files, SAS, and data. Okay, so I prefer to get CSV files because they are very popular and, in my experience, very robust for input and output data sets. Okay. And the main function for reading a CSV file into R is read.csv. Okay. So the generic syntax is like this. You have, say, data assigned read CSV, then you need to specify the path and also the file name so that R knows where to find it. Okay. So I'll do a demo. So for example, on my computer, I have a directory named data. I put some data sets there for teaching purposes. So what I can do is say, I can copy the directory and I look at it, say, for example, I paste it here. It looked like that, but you notice the direction of this slash bar is different. So when you actually write the syntax, you have to move to the other direction, meaning going up from left to right. And so this one is from left to right going down, right? Another way you can do it is you can add like a double bar like this, okay? That will do the same thing, etc. And then you have to specify the file name. So for example, if I want to read in this 1.3.2.2.sepsis data set, I just put the name there. And then let's just run this code. It read it in, and we can display the first few rows. The next we can examine if there's any missing values. So, and you can see there's one missing values. So if you want to really do something about the missing value when you're actually reading the data set, you can do more sophisticated syntax like this. So reading the data file 1.3.2.sepsis.csv, and you can specify NA strings equal to C, either empty or NA. Okay? So specify missing value strings. You can specify SEP, that's the separator. The default is the comma, it's a comma. And then you can say strings as factor equal to false. Do not convert strings to factors. Otherwise, it's going to convert them. Okay, and then you have to convert them back when you run data analysis sometimes. So if you run this code and then it looks like that, since for this data set we only have one missing value, so this head command does not really catch it. But this is the general way for handling missing data in your data set. Okay. And to export a data frame inside R to a CSV file is also very straightforward. You use the write.csv function. Okay. For example, let's show you how to do that. Let's create a data frame with name, age, and score. Okay. So what you do is you can basically specify the same path, but then you need to give it a name, say demo.csv, and the row names equal to false, so do not include the row names. And you can write it there. And if you come here, let's sort by date modify. I can see demo. You open it up. It looked like that. Since we specified the row name equal to false, so the row name did not show up in only the 3 columns. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.